on the way here, I did see the moon quite a bit, but I didn't get my camera out and record it. But the moon did just go behind the castle around there somewhere. But it's nice to see the moon out, and the moon's just saying goodbye, and then the sun is just going to come out. I do like chasing nature, chasing to find the moon, chasing to find the sun. Last night I found the sunset. Tonight I'm just going to find the sunrise. So I've got my work gear on. It definitely involves painting, my job. So I've got a little bit of time before work. Cycled into this town. I didn't quite see the man up there. I'm not entirely sure what he's doing. He's doing some sort of, I don't know, is it a yoga thing? Is it? I don't know. Not sure what it is. Oh well, not quite there yet. It's coming though. Feel it's coming. There's something very uplifting about watching the sun come up or down, ascend or descend. I don't know what it is. I don't know if there's some sort of spiritual or magical power behind it. I don't know. Who knows? But by the way, it's wonderful. These are my work shoes. I can't get these wet. There it is. There's the sun. Look at that. Look at that. Full on. It's not even behind the clouds or anything. It's just there. It's just there. Oh, good morning. Oh, look at it. Look at it. Oh, that was worth it. Everything is worth it. Well, here's the sun. And all that was worth it. Alright, I suppose go and buy some food and go to work now. Oh, that's nice, doing that before work. Doing that before I start work, probably one of the best ways to start the day. Not the healthiest breakfast of all, but I didn't make any lunch this morning. I was too lazy. Hello, doggy. Hello. Hi there. Oh, hello. Doogie. That's all right, no worries. You been swimming, Doogie? They're a bit spicy, Doogie. I can't give them to you. At least. Alright, we've had enough of this job. We're going. It's night time, let's go. So sun's already set, so I didn't get to see that. But I just saw the moon out whilst I was working, so let's go and have a look. Right, ready to go. Ah, beautiful. Look at that full moon. Woo! Can't believe I was here this morning watching the sunrise from over there. And now we have the full moon. Got the sky over there. Sun's gone round there somewhere. And we've got the full moon just there. Lovely.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Mm. So another cycle ride home. There's my brother in front.